DeeKay fan will vibe. Watch for yourself, don't let nobody tell you no lie. New videos gon' keep dropping. New videos gon' keep dropping.
Yeah, DeeKay fan will vibe. Welcome if you new, smash that like, but hold up, wait, don't go nowhere, might as well stay tuned.
New videos gon' keep dropping. New videos gon' keep dropping. DeeKay fam, y'all know it ain't no stopping.
And DeeKay fan will vibe. Oh, welcome if you new, smash that like button and subscribe. DeeKay fan will vibe. Oh, welcome if you new, better stay tuned, smash that like button and subscribe.
What's up, DeeKay fam? Today's cooking with DeeKay fam, Chef Gwen. We're gonna make us a real cheap stir-fry hibachi. Shrimp, broccoli, stir-fry. Stay tuned. All the not usually stir-fry came with it. Teriyaki sauce that came with it. I'm gonna use regular teriyaki.
I'm gonna put this on the option.
Cut it down a little bit.
I got new ones. Right in here.
Remix. Come down here. Walk with me, DeeKay fam. Tell them to melt that butter. So you put the chicken in. Going to the flat top.
Sink. Oh, it's a breakdown, baby. Come, let's break. Right there. You know the thing that broke off on the other side? Right there. I got it, bro. There you go. He can go now. Can you pull the flat top out of it?
Yeah, a lot more.
Angel done for her treatment.
Let's get back in there.
Tell me that. Don't say that.
See this stir-fry cooking?
See that good stuff, girl? Yeah. Take notes, baby.
I wish I could.
fresh note. Alright, Dad, what you was showing? Let me see. What kind?
All purpose. Trying to use them Chinese restaurant. This time maybe I can use. I don't know what this is.
You know what it tastes like? No.
It's not thick enough.
Uh-oh. We might shouldn't throw it away what came with it, y'all.
Got another teriyaki.
What's that? It's thicker? I can't hear you.
Yes, it's thicker.
What is it? I ain't just taking notes, literally.
I don't know. Yeah.
What you doing, Dad? Yeah, you should put some teriyaki seasoning on the vegetables. Now let's put that pot down here. Well,
DeeKay fam, you like chicken teriyaki? Chickenhibachi? Give us a big thumbs up, you guys. So today we're gonna eat this stuff. I cook it every day, but today I'm cooking it for my family.
That's that stuff that actually cooking at work, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just don't add no shrimp around. I don't like shrimp.
say that again.
I don't like shrimp.
She
Just don't add no shrimp around.
said she don't want no shrimp. There it is, guys.
I won't eat sea creatures.
What?
I won't eat sea creatures. I only eat the fish. Well, fake fish from Captain Lee's and fish that my mommy cooked with some hot sauce.
What you mean, fake fish?
Fam.
That ain't fake fish.
Oh,
What you thought? She thought fake fish.
but Captain Lee's fish be busting. Okay, babe.
Well, hush then. Be very quiet. King, you chilling? No, you're not.
Slow process. I would have been through already, right? I'm seasoning veggies.
So, you want to come back to it?
Teriyaki and a little soy to this veggies. I wanted it to be a little more flavored. So I added seasoned salt and black pepper. They're all black for you. Seasoned all black pepper. We ain't all did plain Jane. Salt and pepper stuff. Taste the veggies. Sure, yeah. This is it.
So how many pieces of chicken you could have?
I think it's 5. Maybe 4. 4 chicken breasts.
Rice overcooked. It burnt. Well, we went to the store, guys, and our rice kind of sort of overcooked. Let me see.
Right now I'm letting the shrimp cook a little bit. And cheese on. Talking to my vlog. Chicken over here. About to add the teriyaki and the soy to this. Good teriyaki chicken. Got to let the teriyaki stick on the chicken. You like teriyaki chicken? Woo! Good teriyaki! Woo! Cut that off. Same fish. Good shrimp. Good shrimp. Nice size shrimp. And no baby shrimp. Good size shrimp. Teriyaki. Let's go. There you have it. Good teriyaki shrimp.
So there go one of the kids' plates. Another plate. Another plate. This is my plate. I got my shrimp right there and the mixed in with my rice. I got my meat and my vegetables right there. I guess that's that. Chicken, shrimp, rice, vegetables. Vegetables, chicken, shrimp, and rice. Vegetables, chicken, shrimp, and rice. Yeah. So I was washing dishes. That's what I was doing. And oh yeah, Angel don't got shrimp. Angel don't eat shrimp, y'all remember?
Eat on the vlog, you guys.
You don't eat on the vlog?
We're gonna see how it tastes. Do you guys like how it tastes?
Okay. Alright.
Well, DeeKay fam, got Angel eating. You like it, baby? You like it, King? You like it, Kid? Welcome back, you guys. Mom back with her plates.
I'm doing my tasting now.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, guys. It was good. I'm gonna put this on my rice and stuff and see how it tastes. Say secret sauce. It got a ranchy taste to it, but
What are some of your favorite Halloween traditions?
it's actually pretty good, guys.
I mean,
It's your birthday.
it's kind of good.
What you like?
I don't think so.
You don't think it's good?
I can't taste it. Where are you?
You got that wrong?
I'm jumping off this shit.
Taylor, you got to eat, bro.
All right, put the camera down. Peace out, guys. We gotta eat.
It's over with.